Hi everybody, I'm Julie the Whippy Chicken. I am back with day 10 of my 31-day series of how to get your yarn room organized. So I love the look of these vintage lockers. And if you ask me, I think it's a way better idea to put yarn in a vintage locker than sweaty old gym sneakers. Am I right? I mean, seriously, what would you rather see when you open up your locker? Now, I've said this before, it might not be the easiest piece of furniture to find. It might be just one of those things where you happen to come across something like this in an antique store. But what a great way to use something like this. You might be able to find something like this in a furniture store or even like Home Goods, because they often get some different kinds of eclectic furniture. I think it's a great idea. I really love how this looks. And I think it would look great in just about any decor. I love it. I think it's great. Well, maybe not any decor. In my decor, though, it would look great. All right, everybody. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I'm enjoying making it. I'm really loving looking at all the different creative ways people have of organizing their yarn and using different things to make their yarny life easier. So let me know in the comments below what you think of this series and if you're enjoying it and if you'd like to see more. Until tomorrow, have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.